Hello peeps, morning. It's a beautiful day today and I'm heading to school. As you can see, hardly any sunlight. it overcast, so it actually really nice and stuff. So I don't know what today will bring, but I know that I'm going to school now and I'm a little bit late, but yeah, not all late, so I'm trying to go to school. Open and enjoy yourself. I have a nice little package set up for now in terms of the vlog. Open and enjoy it. So tune in, follow me on my journey. Yeah, JVLOGS. Alright, gingerbread and jelly bean, love you know. Alright. What's up guys?
What's up?
What's the give me one vlog that you like the most. Anyone, anything.
I like the one washing your car.
Yeah.
I've been watching all his vlogs.
Like that
I don't even get on vlogs.
You know, which one you
Same thing.
the same one? Alright, that's good.
Because you were doing something.
Yeah, definitely. I was definitely doing something. But I was still my friend.
The gym one.
Oh, you saw the gym one? Oh, that was yesterday.
That was yesterday.
Yeah.
You're teaching me how to say
Oh, teaching us it. Alright, that's good. Oh, the one, yeah, yesterday.
I watch all your new ones.
Oh, yeah. That's good, that's good. You should try and subscribe to the channel. It's cool. It will get better. I have some things planned for you guys in terms of some quiz and some fun stuff like that. I'll definitely get that done. But I just need time, so I'd have to like get some extra time and just run that quiz and just have some fun with it. But definitely. So later people, JVLOGS represent. Alright. Later people. Peeps. There and thing. Some auntie there. Our ear look mad, but
you look crazy.
we're up on the road. We'll take a little trip. We're gonna do some shopping. Well, my auntie I gonna shop me a window shop because I have a broke pocket. We couldn't know grab no. But yeah, we're there. They are DD's. As I say, DD's these stores. Nice place. I'm not sure if I can vlog in there, so soon come back. Guess where we at? Guess where we at? We're at the mall. We're at the mall.
You're not calling her.
Who that? Grandma? Yeah, I called her yesterday about she's something there, she not answer. It goes straight to voicemail, so I wonder. I wonder. When she call me, yes, so we're there at the mall. We do a little shopping, I think. Yeah. It's at the Treasure Coast Mall on US 1 in Jenson Beach, Florida. Most say it probably. I know, or most say it do. But yeah, it's a nice mall, so we're going to vlog. We're showing the place and thing. Alright. There. One of my favorite stores. Old Navy. I love Old Navy. I buy at Aeropostale as well. Yeah. I love them store. And clothes. And stuff. And stuff always work. Fit nice. You know.
What about Hollister? You don't like Hollister?
Yeah. Hollister, well, my auntie like Hollister. I don't think I ever bought anything about Hollister. Probably buy a pants like a couple years ago or something like that. Oh yeah. Not much.
Let's go to finish.
Apparently, me not a store here, and this come on. No, you know? Here we go. You can't dance up, right? Here we go.
Somebody can dance.
Summertime in the Kingston. Summertime. Turn up. They're the only Jamaican they can dance, trust me. We go Vybz Kartel, free world boss. Ooh, look at the shoes. Ooh.
I like it.
Oh, this is nice. Reebok did a good one on this. That's nice.
You know what? I sent it off for it.
Oh.
And I think you take it 30% off.
Oh. That's nice. Because people, when I think about them, because, oh, J's. Okay. You know who not getting a J's, right? I'll be.
I need 10 and a half.
No, I did chase me out of me. I tell people say no, we're not getting a J's. Not getting a train. You know who not getting the J with that price tag? Cheap as me. But yeah. Them look good. Alright. So come. We're going out, just leaving the mall, going home. You know some more let's forget one parks? I'm going Walmart yesterday. I'm going Walmart yesterday. I'll come out and I look for the car. Can't find it. I'm in the Walmart. Oh God, so around my head in the bed again I water. Oh Lord, to the grandma like my throat, me hurry up, my throat the water out of the pot and throw it in the cup. So I see the pot empty and I see grandma like she throw some water. I say, grandma, you throw the hot water. Grandma says she not throw now. When I look, the water I throw in a teacup already.
You're not fancy.
Oh God. They're not good. Alright people. Later. Grandma's we're having some meal right now. Like Aunty and I. Most of one of our favorite spot. Them have good nice food. It was a welcome to Mo's. That entry alone make me love Mo's. So yeah. It's all really nice food. So we're gonna enjoy the meal. Alright peeps.